What's up, YouTube? No. This is the hardest part. Once I get into it, I'm fine. What do you usually say? I don't know. What do I usually say? How's it going? Probably. How's it going, everybody? I am back here at Dead Slow Garage, which is also the home base for Pink Ribbon Racing. You can see the Supra is behind me, and we're shooting a really cool video today about the next stages of this build. At the last video, I said, hey, we're actually going to keep going and make progress on this. And this time it's true. It's actually true. We've got more stuff. So check us out behind me. We've got a stack of suspension parts from KW. We've got a stack of OSK Tools, who is a new sponsor, by the way. So thank you to OSK Tools. Find me again. Come on. Where are you? I'm here. Find me. There we go. Oh, and got a new camera setup, so check this out. What is this? We were actually moving up in the world and upgrading our equipment. So that's awesome. If you take a look at the car, look in here, we've got, come on camera, follow me, a roll bar. See that? It's a roll bar, I promise. We'll get more into that. I think I can control this manually. Technology. Yes, look at that. We've got our hood vents installed. That's awesome. And then over here behind me, we've got new wheels. TE37s, because they work on everything. And we've got some test tires as well, some takeoff Michelin non-DOT race tires, because why not? We're just going to see how the car goes with those. So anyway, all of that's not going to be in this video. That's going to be on Supra MK5 on YouTube when we go into detail about all this stuff. So check that out. Link will be down below on this one. And that's all for now. So tune into Supra Mark 5 video to see all of that. Thanks.